Nice to see you again. Today, we will discuss using models to find volume. Volume is a measure of space inside a solid figure. Our unit of measure today will be the cubic unit. A cubic unit is the volume of a cube measuring 1 unit on each edge. Take a look at this figure. It is called a rectangular prism. How many cubic units, or cubes, does it take to create this prism? The first way is to count them, but it is difficult to count them. Why? Because some of the cubes are stacked on other ones. Some are hidden from view. So, if we separate the layers, we can get a better look. Yes, it's like a 2-layer cake. Sounds good. Okay, let's stay focused and look at the layers. Now we have a better look at this rectangular prism and how it was assembled. How many layers are there? That's right, there are 4 layers. Now, let's examine the bottom layer. This is the bottom layer. It has 6 cubes. Simple, right? Now, let's add a layer. We have 6 more cubes. So now, the current total is 12 cubic units. The third layer is added here. That's 6 more cubic units, so we are up to 18 cubic units. Finally, we add the 4th layer. Add 6 more cubic units to the total, and we get a grand total of 24 cubic units. We can do this a little quicker by using multiplication. Each layer has 6 cubes, and there are 4 layers. So the volume of this figure is 6 multiplied by 4, or 24 cubic units. Therefore, it takes 24 unit cubes to construct our figure. Okay, now it's time for me to go get some of that 2-layer cake. So I can practice? I've got to run. Bye.